Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete Spendee account. If you want to remove or get rid of your Spendee account since you no longer wish to continue using the platform, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. First of all, open the Spendee application on your mobile device, or you can also log in Spendee on a web browser. Once you're signed into the account, make sure that you're in the main homepage. From the homepage, tap on More at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap on Advanced under Other. Click on Delete Account button on the next page, which should be appearing at the bottom. Now click on Continue. Check your email for confirmation that you really want to delete your account. Open the email from Spendee team to confirm your account deletion. Click on Confirm Deletion in green. As soon as you open up the inbox and select a web browser to continue. This process will confirm that you would really want to delete your account and now your account has been permanently deleted from the database. If you ever want to use Spendee again, you will now need to create for a new account. So that is how you will be able to delete your Spendee account in just a few minutes. Now you can go ahead and delete your Spendee application from your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.